Hello and welcome to another camping weekend. Today we are in the Peak District at a beautiful campsite near Buxton called Beech Croft Farm. We got here last night around 7 p.m, set up camp and then ate a curry that Bev had cooked earlier that day. We'll show you the campsite later, but first we need to go and get some breakfast. So we're heading into Buxton to find a cafe. So how was your first night in the tent?
Yeah, fine. Just found myself hanging off the bottom of the bed. Bit of a slope, but yeah, pleased I've changed the bed though. Sleeping bag's very warm. That's really good.
So we don't need to buy any new beds this week.
We don't need to buy any new beds.
Glad to hear it. Looking forward to your breakfast?
Oh yes.
What have you got?
Full English. No mushrooms. Nice cup of tea to start the day. Warm my bones up. It's cold in here right now.
Yeah, it is cold, isn't it?
About going to a caravan and motorhomes. Shattering. Oh, it's so pretty here.
The story of us and how we never look back. 'Cause this is our time, this is our life. And sometimes all you need is to smile to get by. We're one step closer to find ourselves a perfect place, a feeling you just can't deny. So come on over, 'cause I could never live without you. Everywhere we go, nobody knows. We're waiting for the time to let go and do what's right for us. Started out here, way beyond the tracks. The story of us and how we never look back. 'Cause this is our time, this is our life.
A quick tour of the campsite facilities, kicking off with the goat field. There are 3 goats in total, all very chilled out and friendly. People have been feeding them and enjoying their company. They are situated next to the recycling centre. We have general waste and recycling bins, and we're now going into the camper's cabin, which is a nice little area with a microwave, coffee machine, plenty of information about the local area, local wildlife, things to do, all the pubs that are situated around the area. A very nice place for campers to come and socialise should they wish to. We're now going into the dishwashing and laundry area. You've got a freezer, an ironing board, 4 sinks to wash up, a washer and a dryer all to use. It's all very clean and tidy in here, and that is a theme of all the facilities here. The owners take real pride in that. Going into the toilets, the male toilets, you've got plenty of basins. You've got showers, very clean, plenty of hot water, good pressure, urinals, and some toilet cubicles. In the ladies you've got a vanity instead of the urinals, which have power outlets for hairdryers and straighteners. We've got a kids playground for under 7s, looks really well maintained. There's not a lot of kids on site. We have decided to go for a walk. We have planned out a 5.5 mile walk along the Monsell Trail, starting at the campsite. So we're just walking out of the campsite now. Going to take a public footpath for about 3/4 of a mile, which will get us onto the trail, and then we're heading to some stepping stones and doing a loop, which is 5.5 miles. So we'll see where it gets us. How are you feeling?
Good.
She's feeling good, apparently. The rain's just started coming down, so we'll see how that goes. We have got an umbrella and hoods and hats to keep us dry. Sure, it'll be fine. It's been miserable all day, so it wasn't completely unexpected. Right, Cheedale Stepping Stones, that's where we're going to. Let's go. He's alright, he's just eating. Survive that one. made it. You're there.
Hey,
Well, I said about wearing trainers, and I finally went over straight on my arse in front of a load of people. Absolutely filthy. Luckily, didn't slide into the river because there was about an 8-foot drop, and I managed to hold on to a tree so I didn't get sent in. But I thought I was going in. Yeah, highly embarrassing. Don't wear trainers when you're hiking. Ridiculous idea. More stepping stones. These are a bit slippery. Such a rookie mistake wearing trainers. Such a lovely place this is. Something about the sound of running water. But yeah, really need to get some, well, I need to just get my walking boots in the car. And that's why. We're about halfway round and it is very sketchy.
very sketchy.
The stones are slippery. We've only got our trainers on, which I've said is a big mistake.
Schoolboy error.
And now the GoPro battery's dying, so we'll see you back at the tent if we make it. Bye.
You made it.
Made it back to the site. We ended up coming off the river and cutting across the fields direct back, so it wasn't as long as walk as what we had planned, but still a good one, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was really good, and if it hadn't have been so slippy and muddy, and obviously us not wearing the right footwear, we would have carried on, but it's something to come back to, and you know, we enjoy these kind of walks, and it was nice to see other people out and about as well. So
a lot of other people, dogs, but we're going to go and enjoy these now. So
yeah.
We've earned them, we're going to enjoy them. Just like that, it's Saturday night and we're back in the tent. You had a good day?
Very good day, yes. Very exhausting day, my legs have worked.
Enjoyed the walk?
Yeah, it was good, it was good. It was a nice surprise when we got over that last style to realise we were only a few metres away from the campsite. So yeah, it was nice. We had a nice dinner.
Yeah, meatballs and pasta.
One pot dinner. Washed up. Had a few cups of tea. Had the fire pit going. And yeah, we're now kind of come inside now and settle down a bit and play a couple of games of cards.
We've actually put a tarpaulin over the tent, cable tied to the side of the truck to make a bit of a canopy because it was raining, which seems to have worked. Yeah. We've left it up and I'll show you that in the morning.
Yeah.
It seems to have been alright, doesn't it?
Yeah, just a bit of protection, and it was nice having the fire pit just for that bit of warmth, so we're not having to sit inside the truck all the time. But yeah, it's been nice. It's been a nice weekend so far, and we'll pack up in the morning and just make a couple more plans maybe before we head home. Go and get some breakfast perhaps somewhere. There's a little cafe on the campsite called Daisy's, so we've heard good things about it, so we might pop down there and see what we can fill our bellies with.
Sounds good. See you in the morning.
Good night.
Good morning from a rainy Peak District. It's been raining all night and it doesn't show any signs of stopping soon, so we are in the process of packing away. We've got a cup of tea and we're going to wait for Daisy's cafe to open. We're going to get some breakfast and then we're going to get out of here. So yeah, packing away wet is never fun, but we're not going to have a choice today, so let's get it done, get some breakfast in us, and we'll be heading back. We bought this big plastic box from B&Q last week just to put all of our camping gear in, so when we do come out we can just put that in the truck and we're off. It's pretty good, it's going to hold most of it. Yeah, we're pleased with it so far. It's on wheels as well, so it can be dragged, but we just want something that we can pick up, chuck in the truck, and then we know we haven't forgotten anything. So yeah, good buy. Lovely day for packing away.
Good old British weather.
We are all packed up now. We've just had a delicious breakfast in Daisy's. Did you enjoy it?
Oh, very much so, very much so.
Really nice. So that's going to set us up until dinner tonight. We're back in the truck, all packed up, ready to go. Have you enjoyed the weekend?
I have, yes. It's been really nice just to get away for a couple of nights. It's a pity about the weather, but it's not stopped us going out and about, has it? It's been
it's only been this morning that's been
yeah, it's a shame to
raining.
pack away in the rain. Everything is really wet and damp and soggy, but that's just the nature of camping, really.
Not unexpected at this time of year, is it? So now we've had a really nice time. We'd really recommend this campsite, Beech Croft Farm.
Yeah, really nice, really friendly people upon arrival. It's nice having a little farm shop there as well for any little conveniences you might have, and having the Daisy's coffee shop next door. It's a very small place, but the quality is really, really good. Yeah,
and it's a very clean site. Yeah, very nice. Definitely recommend camping, caravans, motorhomes. It's a very good place to be and to stay if you want to be in Buxton. So highly recommend that. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Yep. Next week we've got something a bit different. We're back down in Henley-on-Thames and we'll be recording that. So we'll see you on the next one. Bye.